Hi, welcome to your mat. Today let's go ahead and get started in a wide seated forward fold. So take the legs as wide as is comfortable for you this day, and you can point or flex the feet, whatever you choose here, but sitting up nice and tall with the upper body. Let's take a nice big inhale, reach the arms overhead, and exhale, we're going to fold forward, hinging at the hips as far as we can until we cannot anymore. And then just let the upper body fold heavily forward, letting the head and neck relax. And let's begin here on our mats, beginning to focus in on our breath, focusing in on those inhales and exhales, the expansion that allows the air in, and then the exhale that helps to press that air back out. Seeing if possible to take those inhales and exhales exclusively through the nose. Helps to build a little bit of heat, helps to filter the air that's coming into your lungs. Let's take 2 more breaths in the pose. And then finding some flexion in the feet. So drawing those toes back towards you, kind of extending and lengthening through the back of your legs. Let's then go ahead and crawl over to the right leg, giving it a little hug, and then allowing the sensation of some lengthening and some stretching on that left side body. So from kind of your left butt cheek where you're sitting all the way up and towards that left armpit, even all along the side body there, and really working to keep that left hip grounded, not letting it lift up as you pull over. Find opposing action, so finding that left hip to sink as you pull gently towards that right leg. And using our breath here to continue to expand and find space in the chest and the body. Let's take one more full breath in and out here. Exhaling, releasing back to center. And then we'll crawl our way over towards our left leg, finding a similar stretch on our right upper torso. One more full breath here. And on the exhale, go ahead and come back through center. Then nice and slowly, let's roll up the spine, one vertebrae at a time, coming up to a nice tall seat. From here, let's make our way onto our backs. Soles of the feet can press into the ground. You can have the feet be about hips width distance apart. We're going to do a little extension in the hips here, so a little bridge pose. Arms are down by the side. You can press the palms and even the shoulder blades and the back of the triceps into the mat. So basically trying to find some connection between the arm all along that back of that arm. So really pressing, think of almost pressing the chest up and through. Maybe finding a squeeze between the shoulder blades. And then from here, we're going to press with the heels, lifting the hips, really squeezing the glutes. If you have any pain or tension in that low back, feel free to back out of this. Otherwise, we will hold here for 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently set that down. We're going to find that 2 more times. Just waking up the back side of the body. Once more, go ahead and find that nice connection between the arms and your mat. And then when we're ready, gently on. We'll press up, extending through the hips, squeezing those shoulder blades together. We're here for 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set it down. We'll do one more. Taking a few breaths here in between to relax the body, relax the muscles. Final round here. Again, finding that press in the arms, squeezing those shoulder blades. And on our inhale, we'll press up, squeezing the glutes, really pressing the heels into the ground. And we're here for 5, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and set the hips down. From here, nice and gently, let's draw the knees into the chest. Find a little rock side to side, massaging out the low back. Let's go ahead and, if you'd like, you can make some small circles with your knees, maybe going clockwise and then counterclockwise. You can switch whenever you're ready. Let's go ahead and draw the knees up into the chest, keeping hold of the right knee. Let's let the left leg go heavy onto the mat. And then from here, right arm goes out like a T, palm facing down, straight out of the shoulder. And then we'll draw that right knee over across the body towards the left side for a spinal twist. The goal here is not necessarily to get that knee to the mat. You want to think more of having the twist come from the upper body, so keeping that right shoulder in connection with the ground helps to facilitate that. If it feels really good to have that knee drop over, or if you have that flexibility, go where your body needs to go and just feel all the goodness that the yoga has for you this morning. Let's go ahead and take 2 more full breaths. And on our next inhale, let's go ahead and make our way back to center. Both knees into the chest. This time we'll keep hold of the left knee, let the right leg go onto the mat. Left arm out like a T, palm facing down. And then that left knee is gonna come over to the right side of the mat. Really breathing here, focusing on the breath and the sensations in the body. Allowing yourself some time here to rest and to Really feel what you're feeling. Let's go ahead and take 2 more full breaths in the pose. And then on our next inhale, let's come back to center, hugging both knees into the chest, maybe finding that little rock side to side if you like that. And then either by rocking back and forth along the spine, or just maybe we can roll over to one side and come up to a seat. Let's make our way up, or a combination. Make our way up to a seat, and from here let's make our way to a child's pose. So knees are wide, big toes are together, hips can sink back, arms reach forward, relaxing the forehead onto the mat. If you like, you can find a little rock side to side with the on the forehead, helps give a self massage, can feel quite nice. Or find stillness in the pose, whatever is working best for you today. Continuing to breathe here. This will be the last pose of class. If you'd like, you can stay here, or if you'd like, you can gently come up to a comfortable seat, whatever that might look like for you. Nice and slow, gentle. And we'll close class with just a little bit of gratitude for showing up for ourselves today and allowing our bodies to move and breathe and just feel good. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you feel better than when you first started, and I'll see you next time on your mats. Namaste.